What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be mocking up the radiator support in my 98 Civic hatch. Let's go. Time lapse this. You guys just saw me get the rest of that radiator support off the frame, mocking up the new one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna nut certain it. I'm gonna drill so many holes. I'm gonna nut cert, so that way I can just unbolt the whole thing and then just slide the motor in and out the front. Like almost like the BMWs, how you can just unbolt the front end with the headlights and everything in it and remove it. That's what I wanna do here. I'm not spot welding it back in. And any paint that I chipped or whatever, I'm just gonna touch it up, which is no big deal. And I might weld up some of the holes from the spot welds that I'm not gonna use, and then self-etch it, and then just paint the frame horns. And obviously I gotta do the whole back side, that's self-etching, I gotta sand that, and then I'm gonna end up recoating this whole side again. But, yep, slow progress. Slow progress, but I'm gonna get it. And I have to drill out, I'm gonna nut cert here and here, and then I'm gonna spot weld, drill out the spot welds on these tabs, because I don't need them. And then from all the fucking vibration and shit, I cracked here, so now I gotta repair this, and I'm gonna have to blend up, blend down. And I think I got a crack on this side, and I got some chips, so I'm gonna end up slightly blending it. Which I don't care anyways, because I got a couple little runs, it's hard to see, but the clear coat runs. So I'll sand that down and I'll blend that back. And I'll put some, what they call melt away, so that way there it won't leave the fuzzies from blending. So it shouldn't be too bad. We'll see. You know, if I had the extra money, I would have two-fronted it. Nope. Nope. I just want that to unbolt. On and off, on and off, on and off. Cheap Chinese radiator supports. It is what it is. Problem is, so yeah, obviously I'm gonna get the new fender because this one's beat down from the other bad radiator support. So now that I got a good radiator support, kind of, because it's aftermarket and it's China, Taiwan crap. Fucking, I'm gonna have to massage that a little bit. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see what happens. Messed around with it, got the fit a little better. But all I did was kind of just slightly give it a little manhandle it. So this one lines up, even though this is a cheap ass eBay fender, it's like $30, but it's been hogged out from my last time. And the other radiator support was fucked up. Shit fits a little better. I want to see how the hood closes. I'll take this off because I didn't want it to bottom out on the truck towers. I know the hood ain't even, it's just thrown on there, so it's probably gonna hit fucking everything. Yep. The whole hood gonna get loosened. Let me do that real quick. I know you guys are probably thinking it's a little half-ass. Why would I paint the engine bay before mocking up the radiator support? In all honesty, I don't care. Not making the car perfect. It's gonna get scratched. That's the whole point of it. I don't wanna make it too perfect because I'm gonna get real anal on scratches, find a dent, parking near people. I don't want that. I just wanna get in the car I could just thrash. If it gets a dent in it, so what? Something gets scratched, who cares? Have fun. I don't wanna be stressing over this. This is a 98 Civic. I don't care. But this is gonna wrap up the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't seen the last video, go check it out. I have the link after this video. Stay blessed. Peace.